Hi to all. Today we are going to continue with lines and angles. Today we can finish this chapter. So this is from your grade 7 maths NCERT textbook, exercise 5.2. So exercise 5.2. Question number is 4. So there are two parts here. First part, the diagram is given like this. So this is L, this is M, there is a transversal. This transversal is named as T. There are two lines L and M. So this is 110 degrees and then this is X. So they are asking us find the value of X. To find the value of X, and they have given L is parallel to M. So what we are going to do is you can just name this angle as A. So 110 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. They are angles on a straight line. So A is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees. So A will be equal to X because they are corresponding angles. So X will be equal to 70 degree. This is the answer. Then we go to the second part. Second part, they have given the figure like this. There are two lines A and B. So this is A, B, and then there are two transversals like this. And then these are named as L and M. It is like this. Then here also two arrows. And then this is given as 100 degree. This is given as X. And then this is given as 80 degrees. So question is find X. L is parallel to M. So L is parallel to M, and then this is a transversal. A is a transversal. So X will be equal to 100 degree because they are corresponding angles. This 80 degree they have given just to confuse. So that is the answer. Then we will go to question number 5. So let me just delete this. Keep practicing maths for 2 hours every day. It is a very interesting subject. Don't think that it's difficult. Think that maths is easy and practice and you will get it easily. Okay, now we are going to question number 5. So question number 5, they have given the figure like this, and then another figure is like this. So two arrows. Here it is given A, point D, and then point C, point F, and then B, E, and this intersection point is G, and this is given as 70 degrees. So the sum of two arms of two angles are parallel. So this line and this line are parallel. Similarly, this line and this line are parallel. Now they have given angle ABC is 70 degrees. So this angle is 70 degree. Find angle DGC. So they are asking this angle. See, these two lines are parallel. If you just extend, and this also if you extend, this line is a transversal, which I am showing by red. This line is a transversal and these two are parallel lines. So angle DGC will be corresponding to 70 degree angle. So angle DGC is 70 degree corresponding angles. What will be angle DEF? Again, this is corresponding with DGC because arms are parallel. So angle DEF is also equal to 70 degree. The reason is corresponding angles. They are given the arms are parallel. So both the arms of two angles were parallel. Now we go to question number 6. So now question number 6. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. So in the first figure, they have given like this, L and M, and then there is a transversal N. So the figure is like this. This is N. And then we have this is 126 degrees and this is 44 degrees. See, if the lines are parallel, if L is parallel to M, then sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal will be supplementary. So you just use that property. So 126 plus 44, how much it is? 160, 170 degrees. So it is not supplementary. So not supplementary. So L is not parallel to M. Now let us look at the second part. This is the first part. Now what about the second part? So second part, they have given the figure like this. They have given like this, and then two lines are there like this. This is 75 degree and this is 75 degrees. So this is line N, and then this is L, this is M. So the figure is like this. So now suppose you take this angle as A. A will be equal to 75 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now if L is parallel to M, then sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal should be supplementary. So 75 plus 75, it is coming to 150 degrees only. It is not supplementary. So L is not parallel to M. So that finishes question number 2, part 2. Now let us go to part 3. So part 3 is, they have given the figure like this, and then there is a transversal here, L, M, this is N, this is 57 degrees, this is 123 degrees, and then just put lines. These are all lines. Transversal N is also a line. Now again we will use the same idea. Mark this as A. So A is equal to 57 degree vertically opposite angles. If L is parallel to M, then sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal will be supplementary. So it means that 57 plus 123, how much we are getting? We are getting 180 degree. So it is supplementary. So L is parallel to M. So that finishes part 3. In every part we are using the same property to check it whether L is parallel to M. Now what about question number part 4? So let me just delete this. So part 4 is, the figure is given like this. So L, M, and this is N. And this is given as 98 degree. Which one? This one is 98 degree, and then this is 72. Again mark this angle as A. So A will be equal to 72 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Again use the same property. If L is parallel to M, then sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal will be supplementary. So 98 plus 72 is equal to how much? 170 degree. So these are, it is not supplementary. So L is not parallel to M. So lines and angles chapter is over with this. I'm happy. It's over. So chapter 5 is over. tomorrow we will start with chapter 6. Chapter 6 is a geometrical chapter. Name is the triangle and its properties. So that's all for today. Bye for now.